if you will be trusted with opportunities, platforms, leadership, even legacy, there are things that you just have to pay the price to know it. You have to pay the price to know it. You see, and that's one thing we're going to achieve throughout this strategic mentorship program to prepare you for the new year. Because look, there is many people don't know, but maybe they know, but they don't know the depth of what they are losing. But you see, the cost of staying average, the cost of staying average. Many people don't know the cost of staying average as far as their careers and their businesses are concerned in the next few years. This is the worst generation to be average, I'm telling you. This is a generation where a 15-year-old, because of what they know and the intelligence they command in your industry, they can do one video and take your place. They can open their mouth in a 5-minute conversations and kick you out of the same company that you have been there for 50 years or 30 years. I'm telling you. So the cost of staying average in my generation is more expensive than the cost of my mother staying average in her generation. You see, I was talking to a young man. I said, look, I was just having a talk with him. I said, so I just asked him about reading books, and he's I call it industry books, right? And he said he has not read a book, like he has not finished a book like in the last 5-10 years. I'm like, you have no idea what it's costing you. I was talking to some people I work with in the ministry, and I was talking about one of the major reasons of what they call midlife crisis. You see, midlife crisis mostly step in from the age of 40 and 50, like that, right? When people get into that age and they realize that, hey, I am getting old and I have nothing to show for. I have not built a life that can give me rest. You see, many people experience midlife crisis because at the age where they had the opportunity to pay the price, because when you're clocking 40 and 50 and above, it's the age where you're just focused on establishment. You're not trying to reinvent the wheel. You see that? So I was telling them that many people enter that age and they're worried and they get into midlife crisis. They're worried about their finances, their future, how their life will be, because there are things that they did not pay the price. They stayed average for too long. So they were doing average things. They were watching all the movies, all the hangouts, doing things that do not contribute to their ROI, returns on investment. If you are doing things today at a certain age, that those things tomorrow cannot contribute to your returns on investment. For example, there is no movie you can watch today that will contribute to your returns on investment tomorrow. None. Except you're a movie maker and you're watching to learn. Then that learning, as you increase in that learning capacity, it will contribute to your returns on investment tomorrow. So when people clock a certain age, they will notice that they have not established things around them. They have not learned things, that they have not done things that can contribute to their returns on investment at that age.